Now come out to question number 21 equal to tan inverse in small bracket under root 3 small bracket close minus cot inverse in circle bracket minus under root 3 circle bracket close is equal to option A pi, option B minus pi by 2, option C 0, option D 2 under root 3. This is the last question of exercise 2.2 inverse trigonometry function. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to it is given that tan inverse in bracket under root 3 bracket close minus cot inverse in bracket minus under root 3 bracket close. Now here I shall write original question. Tan inverse in bracket under root 3 minus cot inverse ब्रैकेट में माइनस अंडर रूट 3 ब्रैकेट क्लोज इक्वल टू here I shall write the same thing, tan inverse in bracket under root 3 minus, here you can see it is given cot inverse bracket में minus under root 3. You have to find the value of this one. So here you know the formula. Formula implies that cot inverse in bracket minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x it will become. This is the formula. Formula implies that cot inverse in bracket minus x bracket close equal to pi minus cot inverse x. So on the basis of this formula, cot inverse in bracket minus in place of x I can write under root 3. In place of x I can write under root 3. So here you can see cot inverse in bracket minus under root 3 bracket close. Cot inverse in bracket minus under root 3 bracket close comes out to be pi minus cot inverse in bracket under root 3 it will become. In place of cot inverse in bracket minus under root 3 I can write very well pi minus cot inverse under root 3. So here I shall open curly bracket. Here minus is there. This minus will be reflected here minus. Cot inverse in bracket minus under root 3 can be written as pi minus cot inverse under root 3. So here I shall write pi minus cot inverse in bracket under root 3 bracket close curly bracket. Now equal to tan inverse under root 3 curly bracket will be broken. Minus will get enter inside, curly bracket will be broken. Here it will become minus pi minus will multiply to minus 1 will multiply to pi, comes out to minus pi. Here minus minus will multiply together, comes out to plus. Cot inverse in bracket under root 3, it will become. So here you have got tan inverse under root 3 plus cot inverse under root 3 minus pi. Like this it can be written. So here you can see tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Because here under root 3 there, here also under root 3 there. So in place of under root 3, x is equal to under root 3, if you write, the first term it will become tan inverse x, and second term it will become cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 it will become. On the pattern of this one, you can write tan inverse under root 3 plus cot inverse under root 3 minus pi. Instead of applying this one, you can apply another concept. Here you can see tan inverse is there. So here I can write tan inverse in bracket under root 3. I can write plus cot inverse will be converted into tan inverse. Accordingly, under root 3 will also be inversed. So you will get here 1 over under root 3. It will become minus pi will be written like this. So here you can see tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You know the formula here, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy, it will become. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse in bracket x plus y over 1 minus xy bracket. On the basis of this formula, I can elaborate this one. So I shall get here tan inverse, open here big bracket. So here I can write under root 3 plus 1 over under root 3 will be written whole over 1 minus xy under root 3 dot 1 over under root 3. It will be written like this. Bracket close, big bracket minus pi. Now do the operation next. So here on doing the operation you will get here tan inverse. Here you can see under root 3 can be written as under root 3 over 1 can be written. So take LCM of 1 and under root 3. You will get here under root 3. 1 will multiply to under root 3, you will get here under root 3. Under root 3 will multiply to under root 3, you will get here 3 plus 1. It will be like this. Whole over, if you do the operation here, under root 3 will multiply to 1 over under root 3. The under root 3, under root 2 will be multiply. After multiply under root 3 dot 1 over under root 3, you will get here 1. So it will become 1 minus 1. Open here this one minus pi equal to here you can see equal to tan inverse in bracket, here you can see 3 plus 1 4 it will come, so 4 over under root 3 it will come, whole over you will get here 0, bracket close, minus pi equal to, here you can see 0 is there, 0 is there, this is the numerator, this is the numerator, 4 over under root 3 is the numerator, divided by 0 comes out to be infinite, tan inverse in bracket it will become infinite minus pi, infinite minus pi it will become, infinite minus pi it will become, comes out to be tan inverse in bracket tan pi by 2 minus pi, because tan inverse I have written, in place of infinite sign I shall write tan pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is equal to infinite, so comes out to be pi by 2 minus pi, comes out to be minus pi by 2. Here minus pi by 2 will be the correct answer. Option B will be the correct answer. So here I shall write answer B, minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 will be the correct answer. This is the complete solution of question number 20, equal to tan inverse under root 3 minus cot inverse minus under root 3 is equal to, option B minus pi by 2 will be the correct answer. This is the last question of exercise 2.2. Tomorrow onward I shall start chapter number 3, matrices. We shall learn the concept of matrices very well. This is the rough work I have written here. You can cross this one after solving the question. This is the rough work just I have crossed here. Question number 21. Question number 21, the correct option is B, minus pi by 2. Answer B will be the correct answer, minus pi by 2. Option B will be correct answer, minus pi by 2 of question number 21. Okay guys, thanks.